Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be doing a short yoga practice that will help you if you're feeling anxious. So once you are ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Straighten your back, bring your hands on your knees, keeping your arms relaxed and loose. Relax your jaw, and we are going to just start with some neck stretches. Bring your neck towards the right side, overlooking your right shoulder, and come to center and look towards the left. Center. Inhale right, exhale center, inhale left, exhale center. Last time. And as you inhale, look up. As you exhale, bring the chin to the chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last time. Inhale up. Exhale down. Then tilt your head towards the left side, bringing the left ear close to the left shoulder. Keep both the shoulders pressed down and feel the nice stretch on the right side of the neck. Come to center and bring the right ear close to the right shoulder. Center. 2 more times. Center. Center. Last time. Center. Now let's just do a few shoulder rotations. So take your shoulders up, back and down. Roll them from front to back 5 times. Inhale on the way up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last time. And relax. And let's reverse the direction. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last round. And relax. Then take both the hands behind your back and interlace the fingers. So I'll show it to you from the side. As you inhale, extend the spine, open the chest and look up. As you exhale, start bending forward, bringing your chest and forehead close to the mat. And let's stay here for 3 deep breaths. Breathing into the opening in the chest. 2 and 1. Slowly come up. Release the hands and relax. Then bring both the legs in front and bring the soles of the feet together in butterfly legs. Pull the feet in with both the hands. Take a deep breath in, elongate the spine, and as you exhale, start flapping the knees up and down for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then again, inhale, elongate the spine. Exhale, start folding forward. And breathe into the nice stretch you feel in your inner thighs and groin area. You can keep pushing the knees further down with your elbows. And let's stay here for another 5 deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up. Now bring the right leg in front and extend the left leg straight back. Extend the left heel back and then point the toes. We are going to do pigeon pose now. So square your hips in front, and if you're tilting to one side, you can always place a cushion under the right hip. Take a deep breath in, elongate the spine, and as you exhale, you can start folding forward to come onto your elbows. And let's stay here for 5 deep breaths. So you can keep staying on your elbows or hands or come all the way down and relax in pigeon pose for 5 breaths. And slowly come up. Let's change sides. Take the right leg back and bring the left leg forward. Extend the right heel back and then point the toes. Square the hips forward. Inhale, elongate the spine. Exhale, fold forward. And let's rest in pigeon pose for 5 deep breaths. Keep breathing into the stretch you feel on the outside of the left thigh and hip. Slowly come up. And let's come into an easy cross-legged sitting position. We are going to end with a deep breathing exercise. It is similar to abdominal breathing, but here we are going to take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. So you inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. This is great for relieving stress and anxiety. So let's do 7 rounds of this. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep going, 4th round. Last round. And relax. We are going to end the practice with an Om chant. So keeping your eyes closed, bring the hands in Chin Mudra on the knees. Take a deep breath in. Bring the hands to heart center and start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Bring the palms over your eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Gently bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this practice. I'll see you with a new session soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.